Across the world, 80% of wastewater is discharged untreated, fueling disease outbreaks, ecosystem collapse, and economic loss. The challenge is clear: current water monitoring is slow, costly, and blind to real-time risks. Jalmatrix is a real-time GIS water intelligence platform, calibrated by in-situ sensors, that detects, predicts, and forecasts water pollution, waterborne disease risks, and treatment potential, turning monitoring into prevention. We fuse satellite imagery, sensor data, and machine learning to deliver precise water quality parameters: pH, TSS, TDS, nutrients, and carbon, validated to ISO standards, with accuracy bands and transparency you can trust. In one view, decision makers can see pollution hotspots, health alerts, and the best feasible treatment technology, ranked by efficiency, cost-effectiveness, scalability, and environmental sustainability. Beyond detection, we quantify carbon, nutrient, and plastic credit potential, creating new revenue streams for governments, utilities, and industries while supporting climate finance and sustainability goals. From urban reservoirs to agricultural basins and industrial corridors, Jalmatrix scales locally, regionally, and globally, building water resilience, reducing disease prevalence, and safeguarding ecosystems. Built with Meshwatt's engineering expertise, Thamar's GIS and IoT platforms, and Credinova's climate finance integration, accelerated by the Toilet Board Coalition under Unilever's mentorship. Jalmatrix, every alert becomes an intervention, and every intervention is transparently measured, verified, and financed. Let's turn water data into lasting resilience. Jalmatrix, real-time water intelligence for a resilient future.